So going to Friday Harbor it's a trek, right? But then you arrive and it's like this, one of probably the most untouched spots in like the Pacific Northwest. The Seastars are definitely like a keystone species. Once you remove them, that chain just completely breaks down. At Friday Harbor, they're looking at, is there any way that we can reintroduce them?
So these are wild-caught stars that we've had in captivity for about...
The way that they actually survey the populations is super manual. Like they have 2 guys, one in a boat with a GPS, and then another diver that just goes down with a notepad, counting what he sees with his eyes. We have this toolkit and world-class facility at GIX, learning about all these different sensors we have. It blew my mind that they weren't using any of this stuff. So that was kind of the light bulb for us. It's like, why can't we just insert ourselves here? I learned a lot about, you need to find your problem, do the user research, and then you can move on to the hardware component, which holds back the software component. We added the new camera system, we added our GPS and our sonar, and just testing that whole thing out, making sure it worked.
So he said on the shelves, right? We would find stuff?
Yeah, on the shelf.
I'm really excited to see what next cohort is able to do, because I was just talking with some students, and they were all like, I want to work on this. I think it's kind of our job, my job as someone who cares about the environment and loves robots, to help them and like empower them to do their job even better.